What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to take you through an 8-minute cardio follow along HIIT workout. It's going to be just 4 exercises. It's going to burn a bunch of calories and it's not going to take very long, so let's do this. All right, like I said, in today's video, we're gonna be doing an 8-minute cardio workout together. This is gonna be a great exercise, or great workout for anybody who is short on time but wants to get a calorie burn in. Great time for the holidays that are right around the corner to burn off those holiday calories that you're taking in, or just if you don't have much time and you wanna get a workout in, this is a great option. Now, I will say, no matter how many times you do this workout, if you're not eating the right kind of foods, you're gonna struggle to get in shape. And if your resistance training is not in place, you're gonna struggle to get in shape. You gotta have everything in place. If you want a free tool that shows you exactly what to do, how to put all this together, take my free body type quiz. It's just right below this video. It's in the description. It's the first link that you'll see. Click that, open it up, take it after this video, or take it right now and do this workout after, up to you. But take it and you'll know exactly what you need to do to get in shape. Also, make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Letting me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want me to make. But now I'm gonna get into this workout. So the workout's gonna be 4 exercises. And so for each exercise, what we're gonna do is go 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. And that's what we're going to do is repeat that 2 times. So I'm gonna show you the exercises real quickly. First up, we have star jumps. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start together, just like so. You're going to jump up, arms are gonna come out, feet are gonna come out, and then you're going to bring them back together before you land. So you're gonna go, just like that. That's a star jump, right there, okay? 40 seconds like that, that's just gonna be 1 exercise. Then we're gonna get down on the ground and we're gonna do some plank up downs. So, down, up, down, up, down, up, just like that. That's 2nd exercise. 3rd exercise is going to be a tuck up. So you're going to lay down on the ground and tuck up. Down on the ground, tuck up, down on the ground, tuck up. 3rd exercise. 4th exercise is a hand release push-up. So flipping around, going down, down, hand release, push-up, hand release, push-up, hand release, push-up, just like that. So those are the 4 exercises. Now we're going to be doing, like I said, 40 seconds of each exercise. Follow it up with a 20-second rest, work one by one through them. And then once we're done through 1 cycle, we're going to start it back over, do it for a 2nd cycle. We're gonna finish it at 8 minutes, and it's gonna be a great workout. So let's do this. So I'm gonna start my timer right here. There's no countdown, so we're gonna get straight into it. So I'm gonna start standing. We're doing star jumps first. I just hit legs today, so this is great timing. Start, and just like that, just bringing your legs and arms out every time, getting them back together. If you can't bring them all the way up or all the way out like I'm doing, just go like this. Do what you can. Seven seconds left. And last one. Whew, 20-second rest. So now, already out of breath. We're gonna get down on the ground, use this rest. We're gonna do some plank up downs next. So I'm just gonna flip this way. 5 seconds, 4, 3, get into plank position, and let's go. So you're going up, up, down, down. And then you can even switch it so that you're going back and forth and not the same arm up first each time. This is a great one for your core and also for your shoulders. Seven seconds left. And rest. Whew. All right, now we're gonna be going into tuck ups. So flip over on your butt And get ready. We're gonna start off by laying flat. We're gonna crunch up, bring it into tuck and back flat. So laying flat, 3, 2, 1, and tuck up. Back flat, tuck up, back flat. If you wanna take it to the next level, don't let your feet touch when you tuck up. So the easier version would not be this, it would be feet rested right there. 3 seconds, get one more in, and rest. Whew. All right, last exercise of this cycle, hand release push-ups. So flipping over. And if you can't do these from your feet, that's totally fine. Do them from your knees. Nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you're doing them right. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Hand, push-up position. Dropping down, bringing your hands up, press up. So one of the main points of this is to get an explosive style push. So you want to make sure that you are really driving your hands down through the ground. One more. And rest. Whew. All right, so that's one cycle, 4 minutes down. We are halfway through. Let's make this last one even better. So we're gonna be doing the star jumps first. Oh, taking 3 months off from my back. I'm paying for it right now. All right, star jumps. Arms out, feet out, and back together before you land. Two more. Rest. Whew. All right, plank up down's next. Oh, I'm gonna need some water after this. Shit, I might need some water before the end of this. 5 seconds. And let's go. Plank position, up, up, down, down. So if you can't move as fast as I'm going, then don't. Go as fast as you can. If you can move faster than me, by all means, go faster. And rest. Whew. All right, so we got tuck ups, then hand release push-ups, and we're done. So got 10 seconds more rest. Whew. 5 seconds. 4, laying flat. 2, 1, and tuck up, tuck up, tuck up. Bringing your knees all the way into your chest. Crunch with those abs. And rest. Whew. All right, final one. Hand release push-up. So we got 10 seconds of rest first, then 40 seconds of hand release push-ups, and we're done. So let's crush these. Ooh, getting ready. 3, 2, 1, and push up, release, press. And that's it. Oh, so there you have it. I need to get myself some water. But 8-minute HIIT workout. If you say that you don't have time to work out, you are just simply lying. You can have, everybody has 8 minutes sometime throughout the day to get a quick workout in, whether it's right when you wake up before you even get in the shower, or right before bed, before you hit the sheets. Do it literally in your bedroom next to the bed. You have time to get a workout in. Just make sure you're doing something that's worth the time. 8 minutes, we just burned a bunch of calories, got the heart rate up, feeling good. Doesn't take long, but if you do it right, it's a good workout. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below. Save this, share this video, use it in the future, whatever. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.